Euro USD forecast. This is the daily time frame. We've had a break of structure here, which has swept this area, which was in October of last year. So after we swept this, there's been a sharp kind of a response. However, is this really, after the break of structure, do we expect price to go down a little further? Well, I would like to think we would, but if we just kind of look at this current area that we are in, so this is, we could say this is the supply zone that price kind of came into, and once it kind of came in here, it reacted, and then it again tried to go up from here, but I think the supply is strong and it's again come down, and we kind of like meandering a little bit over here. Is the daily pullback about to start? Well, for that, I would think that, bare minimum, we need a chalk to happen. So if we cross this high over here, then we would think that, okay, a pullback is in place perhaps. But generally, I would think, that after we have like a break, I would expect this break to, maybe kind of, maybe go down a little more before we can expect the, pullback to kind of happen. So this is the kind of thing that I would think as far as the daily time frame is concerned. Let me just get rid of this. But yes, so we've had a break of structure. The overall structure is bearish, and I expect a pullback to happen to maybe some kind of a supply over here and then come down further, or maybe we go down further from here and then pull up to this supply over here. So that's my outlook as far as the daily is concerned, bearish. On the H4, this is where we are. We've had a break of structure. The H4 is bearish. We've then had a pullback. We pulled right up to this extreme here, and then we've had a change of character over here. Then we've had an internal break of structure. We came in here. We kind of reacted. We've again come down. We've had still some reaction from this zone itself. And this is a bit of supply over here, and we can also see a little bit of a gap here. So maybe price may want to come up here. There was a lot of imbalance in this candle here, so maybe price does pull up a little further up and then continues downward. So that's as far as the H4 is concerned. We do have some other zones left behind, and maybe there's a deeper pullback, and which could signify the daily pullback happening, which we said that it might just pull up to this supply zone, which also has an embedded H4 supply zone. But yeah, the H4 is also bearish. We are in the pullback. The pullback phase for me has ended, and we are now kind of looking at, so my outlook would be that we probably now go down like this. And yeah, that's as far as the H4 is concerned. Moving on to the M15. This is where we are. The M15 for me is bullish because we've had a break of structure here, and it is bullish. Why? Well, to facilitate the H4 pullback, and we kind of maybe pull into this zone. There's a lot of liquidity here. We might just sweep all of that. And there's also a huge gap which is left over here, so maybe price pulls up here and then kind of continues further. But for me, the M15 is bullish, so if I was looking for trades, I would look at playing this maybe right up to this kind of a zone here, somewhere here, up to this level. Perhaps that would be the M15 supply zone for me, where the M15 kind of pulls up into this. So yeah, going forward, looking for trades, I would possibly look at price coming up here and then going down. However, that would be, this is a larger time frame. We are bearish, and we are in this H4 supply, so I would be cautious looking for longs here. I would be more than happy to look at as and when we kind of maybe pull up here, then start looking for shorts as we go down further. That's it. May the markets be with you.